So the huge hole you can see in the ground there is the top of the vent of this volcano. It's one of 3 volcanoes in this area. Together they're called Triňuka, the 3 peaks. And we're just about to go down. Obviously we have to get all suited up, so I've got my helmet on and I'm just going to strap myself to these chains to make sure that there are no accidents. Great.
So as you can see, we are going through a little narrowing.
This coat of lava has remelted and formed this fantastic structure you can see here. Oh. So it's about 1100 degree hot.
Wow, so that would have been red hot.
Yes. And we can see thick lava layers here. And this is really the roof of the chamber. The roof must be very strong and able to in order to be able to sustain this cavity at depth. Normally there are no cavities like this in the earth. They collapse or they have filled up with lava during an eruption. But in this case, this huge cavity, meaning we have strong structures around it. This is pre-existing thick, strong lava layers that are forming the roof of the cave.
So that's the vent at the top. We can just a small little hole of light now. That's where we came from. Yeah. How far is it from top to bottom?
About 120 meters. And it is very special, is being able to go vertically down into a volcano. I don't know of any other place where you can do this, so this is absolutely unique.
So we're heading down to the bottom of the chamber now. This rubble that we can see on the ground and the walls of this chamber, what are we seeing?
We are seeing a chamber, a cavity that was carved out during the eruption. For some reason, the lava flow, when it was flowing towards the surface, eroded up this structure here. It's partly due to weak layers. We have strong layers and weak layers. The weak layers have been eroded away, and this cavity has been formed. We see beautiful colors, red, yellow. Red may be iron oxidation, yellow related to sulfur. Most of it probably happened near the end of the eruption when there was still very hot in here.
Just unattach ourselves from the cradle and we can step out.
So the black rock here is a magma-filled crack. This is a crack that magma was flowing in during the eruption, and it was flowing all the way to the surface of the crater. We can trace it here. And then importantly, in order to form the chamber we are standing in, then the pressure must have dropped. Probably the pressure dropped as the magma crack propagated laterally further away, and there was an opening of a crater at a lower elevation on the volcano. Then the pressure dropped and the magma sunk down and created the cavity here. We need to understand how magma is flowing inside the volcano prior to eruption, so we have equipment to detect that. How will it evolve? How much magma will come out? We want to better quantify it so we can have better advice on where to fly safely in the future.